Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a healthy cucumber juice recipe, ideal as a healthy and refreshing summer drink. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing it to soak for about 5 minutes. I have already shared a detailed video on the difference between chia seeds and basil seeds. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out to know more about basil seeds. Okay, now the basil seeds or sabja seeds are perfectly soaked. I'm going to keep this aside. Basil seeds has cooling properties, hence it's ideal to use in summers. I'm using one medium-sized green apple. I'll be roughly chopping the green apple. Half of a lemon, a small piece of ginger, and I have already sliced one medium-sized cucumber. I'm roughly chopping the green apple and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the sliced cucumber, slicing in the ginger, roughly chopped green apple, handful of mint leaves, squeezing in half a lemon, a fat pinch of sea salt, 1 glass of structured water. Structured water is nothing but water stored overnight in a copper vessel. For sweetness, I'm adding in some honey. You can use any honey of your choice. Add honey as per your sweetness. If you don't prefer this juice to be sweet, you can totally omit honey and add in some extra salt. And now I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined well. Pour the blended juice through a sieve. Just before serving, add half of the soaked basil seeds into the serving glass and pour in the blended juice. With this recipe, you will get 2 servings of the cucumber juice. Lastly, I'm garnishing it with a sprig of fresh mint leaves, 1 slit green chilli. This is entirely optional. And my super healthy cucumber juice is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy cucumber juice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.